Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video we're going to be fitting the first mod to the Mini. Now this is a mod that every car can have, and I've done it before to my BMW. You guys may already know, and it is number plates. Just showed my whole address. Now these plates have been sent out by NF Plates. You guys may have heard of them. They've helped me out with a BMW before, sent them out, and they've actually given me a discount code to give you guys, which is JoshB10. So if you guys want to get yourself a set of plates, 4D plates, 3D plates, they do loads of stuff, and they do shorter plates as well. If you guys want one yourself, use code JoshB10 at checkout, get 10% off. But yeah, first of all we need to go clean the car because it's dirty, and then we'll head on our way over to Jake's house where we're going to be fitting them. So yeah, without further ado, just go clean it and we'll be on our way. First of all, got to put all the stuff in the boot. I'll quickly put the back seats up. Hold on, just so you guys can see the back of the boot space. I'll put the back seats up, and it's all right. But you'll have, if you put this bag in, this is a normal backpack, right? It doesn't fit in lengthways, as you can see. I have to put it in sideways. It's a very, very small boot, but in and the main thing. Wow, that is. Well, you couldn't get much more in there. Really, it's full up. Oh, car on. Whoa. She does sound good. Okay, it is now time to start the car and head on our way over to Jake's. Okay, so we are now underway, and if you have a look in the centre here of the light ring that's around the screen, you may notice the little red and orange there, and that is because this has now been turned into my rev counter. So I didn't know it did this until the other day when I was flicking through settings, and I thought that would be quite good for a video. What is that in the road? That would be quite good for a video so you guys can see things. What is this twat doing? Woo! Goodbye, mate. Electric car is not the answer. Alright, it's not the answer. Petrol power all the way. I love the paddles in this car, honestly. Bang, fourth gear, listen to that pop. When I get a muffler taken out of that, I reckon I'm going to get the resonator taken out. Eventually I'll do the Pro exhaust, but because that's like a 1500 quid option, I'm going to wait a little bit. Just get like the resonator taken out for like 80 quid or whatever. Oh, they're both getting out my way. Thank you. Goodbye. This thing handles so well. Going around this roundabout is a joke. Windows down. Oh, them farts. Stupid, mate. Stupid. know the width of this car yet, so I'm nervous to curbing those alloys. Oh, what a stupid thing. Alright, just arrived at Jake's and yeah, we're about to get the plates on, but I've noticed something since being here, and that's that it says on the plates Peugeot. Now I don't know why none of you let me know about this, right? But we need to get this up ASAP because my car could actually break if that is on, because Peugeot, as we know, most unreliable car known to man. So let's quickly get this off before my car blows up, and then freshen this up because they are a right state. Alright, plates in here. Let's open them and get them on. Alright, so take the plates off. We'll do the back one first. Alright, there it is. I don't know if I've actually shown you guys the plates yet, but you would have seen them if you follow me on Instagram. I'll put them on the story. But
follow up, Josh Bates YouTube.
Josh Bates YT. But yeah, these compared to them, I always like doing the side by side. How good do they look compared?
That side angle. Look, we've got the 4D ones this time.
They're going to be insane. And it says NF plates, which is a reliable source, not Peugeot.
If you've been following the channel long enough, you'll know that we got them on the BM as well.
Yeah, BM, and Jake's got them on his.
And I've got them as well. Look.
Did you go with the 3mm?
Here we go. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah,
so
I think you did.
There we go. NF plates. We both got them now. You went for the 3D last time,
yeah,
but
I
we both.
3D.
I got the 4D ones, and he well liked them, so
yeah,
he's gone for them as well.
3D gel on the BM, and I've got my 4D with the 3mm out. You can go 5mm, which is even thicker, but 3mm did me all right. So first of all, we'll take these.
Look at them, all cracked and horrible.
I know. Well, that's the first thing I noticed when we unveiled the car was how bad the
yeah, I said that to you as well, didn't I?
Okay.
Gee,
that is dirty.
That is.
Alright, so we've got all the rubbishy stuff off it, and it's looking pretty clean now. There's a few little bits which need sticky stuff removed before, but I don't have it, so it's alright, it's covered up anyway. But yeah, time to get the fresh plates on. And I was an idiot again, as I always am in these number plate videos, and forgot to tape up so we know where it goes, so I'm gonna have to guess. But yeah, here goes nothing. Oh, it's gonna be hard to get central, mate.
Yeah, this guy's well fussy as well.
20 minutes later.
Nah.
Don't take it off again. Oh my god.
I think that's alright.
Mate, that's not going to stick on now the amount of time just taking it off.
Oh. Why am I such a twat?
The cockage while using some tape.
Yeah, let's hope there's none of that like weird stuff at the front again. Okay, so taking the front one off now, we've actually marked this one up, so hopefully it's all good and doesn't take a year to put on like the other one. I always just take long to do everything on the car, so no modification is ever just straightforward, is it?
Not for you.
For me, you know, on YouTube when you watch a tutorial, it just looks so simple. Oh.
No, it's just for you though. When we've done like stuff on the Fiesta,
as soon as there's a camera involved,
he bottles it.
Jesus, look who's done this. Who's done a plate before us? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 holes.
Yeah, mate.
They've cocked up, haven't they?
They've done it here as well.
I just want to take a second to look at it without I always look at a car without front plate and go yes.
I actually think yours doesn't look too bad with a plate though.
No, it looks alright because there's a place for it.
There it is.
Right, they do look clean, I won't lie, they do look very clean.
The thing I really like about these plates, you can tell their quality. Look how thick that acrylic is there. Look, yeah. compared to this acrylic on here, that is thin, mate. That's thin. Look at that. Proper quality, and on there as well. Look, it's proper 4D. Nice big bits. No like cheap acrylic either. I mean, I've had mine for ages. Look, these are brand new plates here. Look at mine, a little bit dirty. Still looking just as clean, to be fair. Look, they're dirty as well, and they still look clean. Insane.
That looks good. I love NF plates. Yeah. Man, they just look so fresh. Like,
look how clean.
Look at the difference. When you hold them up, that's when you really see the difference. Like, look how dusty they are. Peugeot.
In the bin, mate. Look, the bin's over there. Take it to the bin.
Oh, where's the other one? Take
it to the bin, mate.
Peugeot. in the bin. Alright, there are the plates on. First mod for the Mini, and I feel like that's such a mod that every car, if they have dusty plates like mine did, especially because they're Peugeot on it, but every car needs plates like they look sick. They look really sick. Yeah, they look so sick. I'm happy with that back one now. But yeah, I think that is going to be it for today. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe down below. And yeah, don't forget, if you want to set these plates yourself, then use code JoshB10 at discount to get 10% off. But yeah, that is going to be it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.